Are you still looking for a good glitch that you can use in your edits to make them look way smoother? Well, don't worry, because today we'll show you step by step everything you need to know and how you can make the best glitch in After Effects. To start, I quickly just prepared 2 clips of Captain America so I can show you guys. So before we add any effects, we're just gonna create a new adjustment layer on top of all the clips so we can add our effects onto that. To do that, simply go ahead and press Ctrl, Alt and Y on your keyboard and it should automatically create a new adjustment layer on top of all your clips. Now for the effect, we're gonna use BBC Cross Glitch. So go ahead, open your effects and presets panel and just search for BCC Cross Glitch. Now just drag it onto your adjustment layer, and as you can see, we already got a glitch on our edit. But to make it look way smoother, we're gonna adjust the settings a bit. So first we're gonna go ahead and set the animation from automatic to percentage done. Now change the glitch intensity from 50 all the way down to 20. This is just gonna make your glitch a bit less intense so that your edit is still visible. Now we're gonna go ahead and open the block damage settings and put the intensity from 70 down to 20. Once you've done that, go ahead and open your shift settings. Now we're gonna put the shift group intensity from 50 down to 15, the shift amount from 800 down to 120, and the line duplication from 20 down to 10. Now last but not least, we're gonna open our shake settings and put the shake group intensity from 50 all the way down to 0. But be aware that the perfect settings for your edit might diversify depending on what scenes you use. So don't be afraid and play around with the values to make it fit your expectations. Now the last, most important and crucial step is gonna be adding a good color correction. As you can see, a good color correction can boost the quality of your edits immensely. So it's an absolute necessity for every editor to have a good color correction. If you want to get the exact coloring that I use in my edits to boost them to the top, make sure to not miss out on my 70% sale on my shop right now. You can get my presets up to 70% cheaper. So check out the first link in the description and don't miss out on your opportunity to become the best. Once you've completed all these steps, you're good to go. You can now render your edit. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below telling me what tutorial you want to see next. As I said, don't miss out on the huge opportunity in my shop. And also check out my Discord, where a huge community of editors. You can ask me questions or just get in touch. The link to that is also in the description. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.